service experience have been phenomenal. We've had very good service from Shacman. Whenever we have any issues or need to confirm anything, they're always attentive, helpful, and reply very promptly. If it's in the morning, by afternoon it's fixed or addressed in some shape or form.
After 2 o'clock, it is the first thing the following morning. The service is second to none, and they always have the parts for these trucks.
Their performance in terms of maintenance and response has been great.
Shacman, Jamaica is located at Cumberland Pen in 6 Mile. We have a facility with a bonded warehouse. We have our showroom that can hold 5 to 6 trucks. We have a service center and our parts warehouse. The mining industry in Jamaica is unique. Our pits are very, very steep. Terrain is very harsh, and the atmosphere, there's a lot of dust in the surrounds. As a result, the timely servicing of trucks is very, very important. The changing of filters on a constant basis. If this is done, the trucks will remain reliable for many, many years to come. We boast a 100% part availability. We have parts on hand that we could build a truck from scratch. In our Shacman parts room, as we walk around the place, we will see that there is pretty much nothing that we cannot supply straight out of stock. So you'll notice that our body parts are actually ordered in various different colors. And the reason being is that we recognize that when somebody has an accident, it is much easier to place a part that is already painted by your color code on the truck than it is for you to get a raw bumper and have a body man to have to respray it. Whether you're color or whether you are a bare primer color, there is no difference in price. What we have done is we have invested very heavily in large components, just so that if anything goes wrong, we have it. You'll see behind us are complete units. We have complete axles for every version of truck that we have come in. So that will have a complete differential. It'll have the housings, it'll have the brake shoes, it'll have the hubs. It is much easier for us to stock a complete axle and remove a part when necessary than it is to individually order individual pieces and components. So we refer to this as our backup plan. So when we don't have the individual items in stock, we will always have them as complete units that we can remove. So what you're looking at right here now is gearboxes for every version of the truck that we've ever imported, axles for every version of the truck. We have springs, we have all the major large components that we keep in stock in this area. Front axles for the dump trucks. These will have hubs, they will have the full axle, and there are springs in the bottom of the box as well. So this shows you that we pretty much have every single thing that you will ever need in life.